don't know if I want to deal with all my tools being outside of it. I want everything inside.
Oh yeah.
That's the way I look at it.
So I say this one stop. Cause I like these, and they, with this right here, they can't get into it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm saying, what you concerned about?
Well, I mean, see, my thing is with this. I mean, of course, if they want to do it.
Oh yeah.
Go do it.
They're gonna need a
just ride around with some vote.
Right.
So I'm just trying.
Yeah, that's true.
Think about everything.
Might not be able to go live. Yeah, no connection look like we got bad connection.
I was getting
commercial though. They're too bad. They can hear.
Yeah. We connected a couple down, but we had
turn off. If I turn the on.
The attic right here.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna stick my head up here to make sure we ain't got no water, anything like that in the pan. My bad. You feel it? All right. So that's the unit right here. Man, this house looks familiar, man. Yes, it does. Let's go. Oh, we built it like. All right, so we're gonna leave that open. So I go to get to the back, okay. All right, so we got. Right here. Gotta get it. Frank said too easy, folks.
That's too easy. Man. I already heard that one.
All right, we're gonna see. This, I think this the unit right here. I should have burned my little snuggies.
What's up, HVAC people? Out here making this money, y'all. I mean, easy money. How y'all? What's up? What's up, Walt? I mean, Wayne and Norris. What's up, man? How y'all doing? What y'all got going on out there? Other than that, I'm just chilling, man. Chilling. Everybody good? Everybody good. Over here with Walter Washington Heating, man. And you got, yeah, y'all hear that? I know y'all know what that is, man. That's an easy call right there. It might do. See if we gonna hear it. Let's see if we gonna hear it again. All right. Let's see if we gonna hear it one more time. I'm gonna get out the way and let Walter Washington Heating AC do his thing. But y'all should know what that is, man.
All right, folks. Sorry about the connection. Know them going in and out on you.
Yep.
But yep, got that old death buzz. So we might be in and out this one. Frank Bay go fishing.
Oh yeah, that's gonna happen, bro. It don't matter.
They gonna have garlic.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's gonna happen, bro. Don't worry about that.
Let's see right here. I put it right here. All right, man. Let's see if I can get them.
Okay. That's the sound.
Yep.
That's usually the sound of the easy money calls.
Yep.
You pretty much know what that is. Y'all should know too. Wayne, what you got going on today, man? Where you working at?
All right, let's see here. What we got here? Little rusty. Rust don't necessarily mean that it's bad, but we're gonna see. All right. Frank, hit that disconnect for me.
Which one you think?
Twisting it up on. Then I'm